EssProM EPM Simplified.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into this really exciting feature of Oracle's Planning and Budgeting Cloud. This feature can significantly enhance your data forms, making them more intuitive and user-friendly. So let's jump right in. When it comes to highlighting certain data cells, we all must have got our hands on validation rules. Undoubtedly, they make things quite descriptive and help to control data entry when required. Similarly, it can be troublesome to maintain all these objects. So, what are validation rules? To implement business policies and practices, you can build data validation rules that are checked when conditions are met in forms. Validation messages can be generated if entered data violates validation rules. Let's take an example of a simple scenario. If the data is missing, color it light yellow. If the number of units is greater than 200, color it green. If the number of units is less than 50, color it red. And make the year total value as gray. Now, if we go for validation rules for this in forms, we must set the required conditional formatting. Although we have Groovy scripting capability in the planning application, and let's see how Groovy makes things easier just by maintaining a small piece of code which can be tagged to any form to serve the same purpose. How to create Groovy script. From Calculation Manager, create a new rule and choose as Edit Script and script type as Groovy script. Write the code and then validate and deploy the rule. Add rule to form. Attach the rule to required data form. Check the Run After Load as Business Rule property and save the form. Understanding different parts of the code. The first line points to the grid, then each data cell iterates one after another. First if statement checks whether the cell value is missing, then assigns cell color as light yellow. Similarly, the other two else if checks the other two conditions, where the first condition checks if the value is greater than 200, then color it green, and the second condition checks if the value is less than 50, then color it red. To make all year total value as gray, year total is specified with the data cell iterator. This iterates all cells within year total and assigns the color. This Groovy rule can have all such conditions listed together in a single rule, which can be attached to multiple data forms, making them behave the same way. Even a more complex scenario will be easier to achieve through Groovy rather than validation rules. With support for Groovy rules in Oracle EPM Enterprise Cloud, you can address all types of limitations. Groovy improves the performance by creating focused calculations. Dynamically generate calculation scripts at runtime based on contexts defined in the Groovy script. So Groovy scripting plays well with EPM and makes application work efficiently. If you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe our channel. For more information, reach out to us at support@essProM.com. Thanks for watching.